everybody. Today we are here. So right now we're taking a walk here. Nature walk. Yeah, doesn't it look beautiful from here? There's lots of flies and rocks. Look, these guys have a tomato right here. Look at this. We got some flowers. I just took a berry or two. Zoom in for me, Kaya. See? Berries right here. We're still going. These are the berries. We're having a rough time here. We're going to adventure into a forest. Right here, you see a new passageway. Go to the water. Oh, please look at that. That goes downward. All right, guys. We're through this forest passage. You see that? Go to this. All right, guys. We're going to this very green meadow. All right. Look at the meadow. It leads somewhere else. Let's keep going. Come on, guys, run. Whoa, can you see that? See that big view? Wow. Don't you love it? Pretty, right, see? Mommy? All right, let's keep going. Yeah, I know. I almost tripped. All right. Careful, Mommy. Look at this guy. Wow, guys, look at that view. We could have went that way, but we're going on a different nature path that would lead us to something different. Yeah, it'll lead us to something different and amazing. We'll see what it leads us to. And we're still taping this video. You know that. Follow along. All right. Christy Kids. Subscribe and like. All right, the video's not over. Let's keep going that way. Let's keep going, guys. More berries. Careful, Mom. Wrapping paper. They're not allowed to do that. Uh-oh, they put wrapping paper right there. They're littering, but we did not bring, we bring some food, but we're not eating it on this adventure. And then we'll know. Through, Reese. It just ran that way. Amazing. Oh, look. It's an acorn. Come on, guys. That's what forest trips are all about. Let's run, because we already know the way. Nah, let's not run. Let's give the people time to observe. Alright, so guys,